Alright, so you've got PUBG open. Here's how you get it set up. So what you do is you go over to settings, and then go over to controls, and then customize. And you'll see here, you can move around these buttons to where you want your triggers to be. I'm gonna put this up here where my right trigger is. So you take your trigger, and this part here is what's gonna actually be pressing. So you just line it up where you place that button, and mine's about there. And then on the back of the phone, there's a little clip here, and that just kind of locks it in place. So you put it where you want it to go. Mine's right there. And you just lock it in place. And then you've got your aim button, and I'm gonna move mine right up here, and that'll be right on where I need to put this trigger. So it should look just like that. Sometimes it's easier if you move the actual button size. You can move that top little bar there to make the button size larger so it's easier to click. And you can put any buttons up here. I'm just using aim and shoot as these two so you can move around proactively. But you can put whatever you want there. If you want to jump there instead or something else, or crouch, you can switch these buttons to do whatever you want. So once you've done that, you tap save and then exit. Now you are ready to go. Now a couple things you're going to notice right off the bat. These do block a little bit of the screen. So on the main menu, you may have to pull these off to start. Once you get the controls set, you can just pop in game and then press that. So we're in the lobby here. You can use the right trigger just to punch and everything too. So to test it out, that's a good way to do it. It allows you to simultaneously move, and then you can aim and shoot without having to move your fingers off of the directional pad. You can just move around and use that at the same time. All right, so I just landed here, and I'm gonna go pick up a couple weapons. All right, so I picked up an AKM here, so I'm gonna go find somebody. All right, so there's a guy here. Boom, just like that. Now I will say PUBG alone is still one of the more difficult games. I mean, Fortnite is as well hard on mobile. So either way, it's not that easy of a game. So this does give you a little bit of an advantage using these triggers, but again, you can't get banned from using these because it's just like you're touching on the screen. If you're wondering why it looks like I'm playing PUBG Mobile with a mouse and keyboard, it's because I'm playing it with a mouse and keyboard. Now this is probably one of the craziest products I've reviewed because it's literally a mouse and keyboard on my iPhone playing PUBG Mobile. So this right here is the Gamester Z1. What makes this product so cool is that it can Bluetooth to your phone, not only just your phone, but also your computer, and it's a one-handed keyboard. This game through Happy Check, you'll notice this little icon up here in the top left corner. If you click on that, it's gonna have some settings, and that's how you're gonna change your keyboard layout and all that type of stuff. So I have everything already set up how I like it, but if you want to change it, all you have to do is click and hold and drag these options wherever you'd like them to go. But like I said, they're already preset, basically ready to go, so you really don't have to do anything at all. You can also toggle on and off the mouse pointer by pressing the G4 button on the keyboard. That'll make it appear and go away.